Kia ora koutou katoa. My name is Sophie and I'm the sewing pattern designer behind Below the Kōwhai. And we use a lot of Te Reo Māori language in our business, so I wanted to share this video with you to help you pronounce, practice and use Te Reo Māori in your own home. And today's video is going to be on the word pai. Pai in Te Reo Māori means good. And the reason why I chose it for today's video is because we have a sewing pattern called the pai shorts. And I named them the pai shorts because they're just good shorts. They work every time and they fit every time. And so it seemed fitting to call them good shorts. Pai shorts. You can pronounce the Māori word pai like apple pie in English. And I'm going to teach you 3 different particles today when mixed with pai will give you endless uses to use Te Reo Māori in your own home. The first one we're going to do is ka pai, which you might hear a lot around the place. Ka is a particle that implies past, present and future tense. It's like something exists. The goodness exists in this instance. You would use this a lot with children when praising them for good work or achieving something or celebrating. You would say ka pai. You could mix it in with something to be a bit more specific, like ka pai tō mahi, very good work. But ka pai on its own is sufficient as well. Say it with me, ka pai. Throw in ka pai all around your home to help encourage your family and say it so many times that it just rolls off your tongue as a natural response to anything good. Ka pai. The next one we're going to do is kei te pai. The word kei is a present tense marker and it's for this moment, here and now. So in Te Reo Māori, if someone asks you how you are, they would say kei, the kei, te pēhea koe, kei te pēhea koe. And they're saying in this moment, how are you? And you could respond kei te pai, which means in this moment, I'm good. If someone asks you, how are you in English? You can also reply kei te pai. Kei te pai can also be a question by changing your tone. Kei te pai? And I use this one a lot to check in with the children to see how they're feeling. Kei te pai can also be used in a colloquial way. Here in New Zealand, we often use the phrase no worries when being thanked or being asked for something. And so this is kind of like a replacement for that. So if someone asks you, for example, would you like your receipt? Kei te pai, no worries. Would you like a glass of water? Kei te pai. Thank you for sewing this dress. Kei te pai. So it's sort of like a brushing off of a thanks. It's making it really casual and it's saying at this moment, no worries, it's all good. Try it with me now. Kei te pai. Kei te pai. Kei te pai. Kei te pai. Ka pai. The next one is kia pai. And the word kia is a particle to use for the future. So it's wishing someone goodness. And I use this a lot when my children are off to school in the morning. I say kia pai te rā. Literally, that means be, for the kia, good, the day. More contextually, it means have a good day. You can swap out the pai here, the kia pai, for other things. For example, kia tūpato means to be careful, be careful. Kia pōturi, be slow. Kia tere, be fast. I use that one a lot at home. So it's saying to be something for the future. Be careful, be slow, be fast, be good the day. So why don't we try that one together? Kia pai te rā. Kia pai te rā. Kia pai te rā. Have a good day. Let's go over those 3 different particles again. We've got ka pai, which means something is good. Kei te pai, which means in this moment, it's good. And kia pai, which is for the future, to be good. Be good. I hope this has helped you learn some maybe new Te Reo Māori or to encourage you to practice and to speak it in your own home. Kia kaha I te reo Māori. Be strong in the language.